Hey friends, welcome to my channel. How are you guys? I hope you all are fine. So today in this video we'll be discussing about Excitel Broadband. So this Excitel Broadband has recently launched in India, and some parts of cities they have launched their services. So it is not totally launched in India, and only some parts of cities they are launched. So I'll be discussing on this Excitel Broadband today about the plans, data, how much they're offering, what they're offering, and all everything. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. So let's start the video. So as you can see, this is the homepage of Excitel Broadband. Let me just show you. So this is the homepage, as you can see, and let me show you first which cities do they cover the services. As you can see, it covers Delhi NCR, Hyderabad, Jaipur, Bangalore, and Lucknow. So only these cities currently will be having the services. So if you are in one of these cities, you can just go and approach their executive to install, and if it is available in your location, they'll surely come and install. So as you can see in a Delhi NCR, let us check out the plans first. So as you can see, there are two type of plans in Delhi NCR. It is one is a real time and other is a optical fiber one. I suggest to go to the optical fiber one because they provide proper speed and no fluctuation on the speed. So first let us look out to the real time plan. So as you can see, for the 50 Mbps plan, you have to pay around 695 rupees per month, and I don't think so that is good because when you compare with the fiber one, as you can see, for 100 Mbps plan you are getting for 699 rupees only. So you're getting higher speed also in this, so it is better to go with the fiber one. So I'll be discussing on this optical fiber plans only. So let me show you. As you can see, for 100 Mbps, if you go on for higher months, the cost will reduce, and can get more data for less money, as you can see. So for 1 month it is 700, you can say 100 Mbps plan, and as you go on increasing a month, it will be reducing the amount. As you can see, for 3 months it is 565 rupees, and for 6 months it is 490 rupees. So it will reduce like this per month. And in this optical fiber, they will give you free Wi-Fi router. So you have to just pay 2000 rupees refundable deposit. So when you're ending your connection from there, you will be getting your money back, 2000 rupees. As you can see, it is written over here, refundable to the security deposit, 2000 rupees. So as you can see, they have the plan starts from 100 Mbps for fiber. So it is for 100 Mbps, 200 Mbps, and 300 Mbps. So much they give. And the for real time it is from 50 Mbps and goes until 100 Mbps only. And for this real time, you have to pay around 500 rupees cable installation charges, and which is free in the fiber thing. So you don't have to pay any installation charges in the optical fiber one. So that's a really good thing, as you can see. And if you don't know, if you have the Wi-Fi router, as you can see, get it over down over here. If you don't have the if you have the Wi-Fi router, and if you don't want the Wi-Fi router from the company, you can use your own Wi-Fi router, but you have to pay around the 750 rupees refundable deposit for the LAN. So that is the thing. And let me show you the plans for Hyderabad. So for Hyderabad also it is almost the same, as you can see. Actually, for the fiber it is same, and for the real time it change differs or something, as you can see. But don't go for the real time, guys, it's really bad, and go for fiber, it will be good. So for the fiber it is almost the same plan, as you can see, which I discussed in the Delhi NCR plan. So everything applies same, that 100 Mbps for 1 month it is around 700, and 200 Mbps plan for 849, and for 300 Mbps plan it is for 999, and the same refundable deposit you have to pay 2000, and you get free installation and Wi-Fi router and so on. So let's check out to the, and one thing, the cable installation over here it is free for the real time, I'm telling. So that's a good thing. And for Jaipur, as you can see here, only the optical fiber plan is applicable here, so you don't get the real time, so which is good. We need only optical fiber, is better actually. And it's almost the same, as you can see. I'm showing you on the screen. You can just take the screenshot if you're on this city. let us check out to the next city is Bangalore, and for Bangalore also it is almost the same only. You can see same 100 Mbps for 1 month it is 700, and same you have to pay 2000 for the refundable deposit of the Wi-Fi router and all, and installation is free everywhere. So let us check out to the Lucknow. So even Lucknow it is almost everything is same only. So the same thing which applies for optical fiber. So in Hyderabad and Delhi NCR you get real time, as you can see. For Delhi NCR you get this real time plan, and for Hyderabad you get real time plan, and for rest all cities you get only optical fiber. No, yeah, as you can see. Okay, and they have an offer in Delhi NCR. Just let me show you this thing. Just a moment, guys. And over here. So if you are in Delhi NCR, if you are planning to get for 6 months subscription, you will be getting 3 months extra months, so which is really good. So it will totally include 9 months, so that's a really good, and this plan is applicable only in for the real time users, as you can see. Let me show in the Delhi NCR over here, as you can see 6 plus 3 only in the Delhi NCR region will be getting this offer, not in the rest of the region. As you can see, let me just select Bangalore. As you can see, there's no offer like that. So if you are in Delhi NCR, you can just grab that offer, it's really good. So we'll be getting extra months. It's good. So as you can see, the plan is really good, and also I forgot to mention there is no FUP anywhere in the optical fiber. So it is unlimited, totally unlimited. You can use how much ever data you want. There's no FUP. So that's a really good thing. You can consume how much ever you want data. There's no limit on that, and your speed will not be getting decreased. It will be at 100 Mbps only, and they say that they give one-to-one service, that is 100 Mbps upload plus 100 Mbps download. So that's really great. So that's all. This is a video. So when you compare these plans with other broadband services near you like Jio Fiber, Act Fiber, Airtel, whatever they have broadband, so these people provide really cheap plans for really good service, as you can see. So for 1 month, like if you're taking 100 Mbps plan for 700 rupees only, you get unlimited data, so there's no limit in that, and that's really good. And you get optical fiber one, so it's really good. So this is the best and cheapest plan in country in India. So I think this is good if you are opting out for buying a new connection in your home. So if you are in these locations, you can go and check out these plans, and if you like, you can just get a connection from there. So it will be really good. You can get a high speed internet at really low cost. So yeah, this was a video on Excitel Broadband, and I'll be doing upcoming more videos on this broadband, so please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. So this was all for the video now. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel, and please take care of your health, and bye bye.